everyone, welcome to another tutorial on Java Beginner series. Now in the last video we have seen what are wrapper classes. We have also taken a look at the hierarchy of classes, that is number, character and boolean. In this video we'll quickly focus on few of the methods that are offered to us by character class. So without further ado, let me quickly take you to Eclipse and run through some functions for you to understand the concept a little more better. So let's write a system.outline, and inside this let's say we have character dot, let's take the first function is letter. Now this will tell us whether the parameter inside is a letter or not. So let's give a number. Now this should give us the output as false because the value that we have given is not a letter, right? So save and run and you get false. If you switch it to a character, that is, let's say V, save again, run, you get true. Fine. Similarly, we have is digit to check whether the character you have passed is a digit or not. Now if you give some number that is 8, it will return you output as true. Also, we have another function that checks if the case of the letter given is uppercase or lowercase. So uppercase, let's say we give G, and the output is true, it's uppercase. Similarly, we have is lowercase to check whether the case of the letter given is lowercase. Also, we have another interesting function, that is character dot toString. Now what this does is any character that you give inside this, it will convert it to a string. So save and run, and of course you'll see the same output as it is there, but now this is converted to a string. So in your program, whenever you need a string but you have a character, you can use the toString function. And also you can experiment with the rest of the functions. All you have to do is say character dot and you get this whole list of functions that you can try out, right? For digit, get name, get type, all these functions you can one by one take a look at. You get the whole detail of what the function does, explaining that same, right? So let's say for example we have two lowercase, right? So you see that it gives you a whole description what the function does. It converts the character argument to lowercase using case mapping information from the Unicode data file. So this is enough for you to teach all the functions that are there in the character class. Just go ahead and keep experimenting with the other functions. So that was it for character class, guys. I would again recommend you to go ahead and practice on your own. As you see, when you hit the dot, you get to see all the options, all the functions that are available in the class. So go ahead, experiment with everyone, read around what a particular function does to get a better understanding of all the functions that are available in the class. I'll see you in the next video on one more class that is very essential and helpful while programming. Don't forget to subscribe because there are many more interesting videos coming up on the channel. Hit the bell icon on the page so that you keep getting updates on what is coming up next on the channel and don't miss out on anything. Until next time, guys, happy coding!